The third is you can go to this website called Udemy, and within Udemy, you can type in your course name. For example, say English course, you can type in that, and after that, on the search results, you can again sort by newest. So this option will give you the recent courses, right? So the courses that are just uploaded maybe a few months or maybe a few days back. Next one, you can scroll down and you will find something called as hot and new section. So this will actually show you which are the new courses and which are like really hot, meaning a lot of students are preferring to study this particular course. So this way you will get an idea of which is a trending topic that students are looking for, and whether you can use your knowledge to teach that particular subject. Because when you teach a trending topic, more likely more students will appreciate it, and you can use your knowledge more effectively if this happens. Anyways, you can use Udemy for researching your online course. And again, within Udemy, what you need to do is you need to go and again repeat the same steps, which is to look at the ratings, and especially the 3-star and 2-star ratings for a particular course. For example, here you can find that some students may want more examples on vocabulary, verbs and all that, or maybe some people want a live class. They want to practice a one-to-one session with you. And another thing that you can do is to use Udemy's suggestions, like how you have used YouTube and Google. Now, one key thing here to note here is that even though you may not want to list your courses on Udemy, the suggestions, what Udemy shows you are some of the things that your students are actually looking for. So this data will definitely help you understand what the market really needs. So that is one way that this is one way to use Udemy for your market research. The next is to use this website called Quora. So Quora is a question and answer type website where you will find a lot of questions and a lot of answers under each question. So what you can do is you can go to Quora, and from here you can type in your subject or your query, which is say English speaking course. You can type that one, and immediately Quora will show a lot of questions. So it will show you, so Quora will list down all the results. So now what you need to do is on the left side, you need to click on the questions, and you need to select if you want to see the recent questions, you can select say past month. So what this will do is it will show you all the questions that has been posted in the past month. Now you can select the newest question, and you can actually go and explore these questions. So you can note these questions down in an Excel sheet, and so this will give you an idea of what students are asking for in your particular course. Along with that, under each question, you will also find something called as a related question, which will give you more questions which are similar to this one. So this way you can use Quora to really understand what your students are actually looking for. Now another place where you can actually go and do the market research is to use Amazon Books. So you type in your particular subject name, let's say English speaking course, and you go to the books and you read the comments. You will get an idea about what students are actually looking for, and what this book did not cover, or a book like this, what audience are actually expecting from a book. Because whether it be book or a course, audience are looking to solve a particular problem. So whatever information you can find related to that, you should be using that in your course. So this way you can do a research on, you can do market research using Amazon. Now if you have say students, let's say you are running a small tuition center, or if you are already a teacher, you may have some students, maybe few, either in your contact list or maybe in your family. So what you can do is you can go and ask students in your contact list, ask them what they would like to learn from your particular course. This will help you get an idea of what students want from your course. So this is one suggestion I have.